are today at the FoxHill MXGB Championship. Thought I'd pop up here and watch Jeffrey Herlings do his thing. I hope it's a really exciting day. Try my hand at this sort of vlogging sort of type of stuff. Thought it'd be quite cool. Put some stuff up on the channel and just a bit of a different approach to what I normally do. But just on my way to have a look at the paddock to see what that looks like. And yeah, hope it's a really good day. So just come to some of the trade stands. Got Ryan Villapoto's bike from last year. Thought we'd have a look at it, and obviously VMX DN going to be here 24th, 28th of August this year. Great event last year. I think it's fully booked this year, but if you're around, I would pop down for it. Just here chilling out, just had me autograph with Jeffrey Herlings on the old banner, and I bump into this guy. Here he is, look. He bought himself a pair of goggles, look, just to be signed by Jeffrey Herlings. He's the fastest man in the juniors.
Fast was in the juniors, seniors now. Put me up.
Put you up?
Yeah.
Fed up with the sandbagging?
Sandbaggers, yeah.
I know, St. Catherine's awful. You were like a lap ahead. You're getting the tips from Jeffrey.
I know, I had a few little training tips with him earlier on. He gave me a few little pointers.
Josh Spinks yesterday.
Yeah.
He'll be the fastest man in the expert soon.
I know, I just got to stay upright, just to stay on the bike.
Had a good day here at FoxHill for the British Championship. Jeffrey Herlings, insane as always. On my way home, because I only live 5 minutes away. It's good crack, but the weather's really nice, and I'm going to go do something with my day other than motocross and hopefully put this edit together, and I hope it's good for you guys with the drone footage and yeah, a few other little bits. Not really much of a vlog where I'm talking about loads of random rubbish, but let us know what you think, and hope you enjoy the video.